Guys, welcome back to another video. So today what we are going to do is that we have to cover the reputation management, which is somehow related to obtaining the reviews from the leads that are sitting inside our CRM, or we can also import some new leads. So what it does is that it can somehow automate this procedure of review collection and following up, or giving them reminders that you have to review our services on Google profile and Google business profile or the Facebook page. So all of this can be done inside the reputation management or the review AI or go high level. So first we have to go inside our GHL. Right now I'm inside the dashboard of GHL, and the first step that I need to take is we have to navigate towards the reputation management tab from the left side. So the first thing that we need to do is that we have to integrate our platforms through which we have to collect the reviews. So I would go inside the settings tab and integrations. You can see there are multiple third-party applications which can be connected to ask the leads for reviews. For example, we have GBP, Google Play, we have the Amazon application and the Facebook also. So if you don't find your own platform, you can add inside here the custom links, and then you will be able to collect the reviews from the people. So there is another option, for example, the reviews AI. So what it does is this agent actually replies to the emails, the views. So I have turned it to the auto responses, and all the responses will be handled by the agents. Here you can see I have 7 unreplied views. So if I create a new campaign, I actually can set up the agents so that they can reply on my own behalf, on my business behalf. So I'm not going to create this particular right now because I don't want to have any reviews right now. So the next step that we are going to take is we would set up a review link. We have our Google and the Facebook connected, and also if you have multiple platforms connected inside a single reputation management, so what we can do is we have to configure a balance inside that. For example, 50% leads are going towards the Facebook page, 50% are going towards the Google reviews page. If I add another platform, I don't have right now, but if you can connect the third application, if you select the auto balance, the percentage to each platform would be 33.33. So every person in the three of them, one in three would be given a single link. For example, if there are three people, one would get the platform X, for example, suppose Amazon, one person would get the Facebook link, last and third one would get the Google link. So this is the review balancing. Then if you want to send people for the reviews, to collect reviews from them, you have to go inside the reviews tab and send review request. For example, I take the contact as Harish, and I would send an email to that person and ask that person to give me a review. So this is a little bit introduction from the reputation stage section of the Go High level. So now we are going towards the workflow section. So let's move towards that. So right now we are inside our workflows. So first of all, what we need to add is that we would be adding a trigger. You know that I am inside the advanced builders right now. So the UI is a bit different from the standard builder. So Yep. First adding the trigger, which is the new review received, and I'll add some filters in it. For example, review ratings is greater than or equal to 4. Then I would say review source is Google. So if someone puts a review which is greater than or equal to the 4 stars, this trigger will start and the workflow will start working. Now the second step is that we need to decide what actions we need to take. So the second step is that we have to decide what actions that we need to take after the trigger is triggered. The first step could be, for example, adding a contact a tag to someone. For example, I would say review received, spelling there a bit wrong, but this will work. Secondly, we can add a thank you email, you know, saying that thanks for giving us a review. So I can set up thanks for the review on Google. Hello. Then I'll save this action. You can add any actions in this workflow according to your own needs, but I won't be limiting you guys to add only these actions. So you can also add the update opportunity in some pipeline, or you want to assign that user to assign that contact to someone, or you want to send that person an email. Whatever you want to do is that we have to add these type of actions from here. So I would leave that thing to you, and if you like the video or have some questions regarding this workflow, you may ask in the comments. I'll try to explain them as soon as possible. So that's it from my side. See you in the next video.